Are you using something like this for your trailer jack? Or maybe something like this. A better solution is going to be the trailer jack block by OXBLOX. OXBLOX will support up to 10,000 pounds per block. They can be stacked for added height and stability. They are made from 100% recycled plastic. OXBLOX are literally made from ground up old garbage cans. They have a versatile fit. They work with RVs, horse trailers, boat trailers, utility trailers, and more. These are built to last with a lifetime warranty. Best of all, they're made in the USA, in Utah to be exact. For more info, go to www.myoxblox.com.
Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV Sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Oh, if you're a fan of the Influence, we've got a good one today. It's a 2025 Grand Design Influence, model number 3203GK. So let's get started. The length on this Influence is 35 feet, 11 inches. The dry weight is 12,712, and at hitch weight is the hitch weight is 2,471 with a GVWR of 16,800 pounds.
Yes, guys, we are ready to get inside and show you this one. This is actually a brand new unit that hasn't even been completely unpacked yet. So we get to show you something that's just gotten here on the lot. But we wish you would hang around to the end of the video. We would love to share a product with you from Proven Industries. It's about a trailer tongue hitch lock. And we think you will be impressed with it. We know we were. Right up here at the front of this, you're going to have some great storage. Now your batteries are going to go in here. Coming down the side. You're going to have propane right there. And then your access door over here is a split door, which is really nice. That way, if you only need to get into your connections over here, you don't have to open the entire thing. But nice big open storage in here. It is finished out, and you do have access panels to get to things in here. Your electronic leveling is going to be right there on that door. And let's see, we're going to have a combination of Schwintek and rack and pinion slides on this one. Right down here is going to be a dump area.
Tankless water heater.
And it's by Furrion. Looking down here at the sides, you are going to have the Moride CRE 3000 suspension on this one. It does have 4-point leveling. You do have another dump area right back here at the back, and your pull handle is going to be right in front of it. Looking at the back of this Influence, you have a ladder to access your roof. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little light right up there. I love that they have added those on there. You do have towing capabilities up to 3,000 pounds. But you said this one is about 36 feet?
It's 3511,
yeah,
so 36 feet.
About 36 feet. So if you're going to tow, just remember it's going to make you very long going down the road. Awnings.
11 and 18.
So that's going to give you great coverage on your campsite. Right here. They have given you a space that is prepped for a TV. And it looks like up to a 50 might fit in here.
Well, let's see.
Let's just see how big our opening is.
About a 48.
Probably a 40, yeah.
Yeah, probably a 48.
Yeah. Depends on how much you want to try to make it fit. But everything is already in place. You just gotta put your TV in there.
I like that. Okay.
Yes. In case you're interested, it's just going to have the tow assist on it.
Great port.
And here is the other side of your pass-through storage.
Wow.
Yeah, you've got your lights, electrical plug-in there, TireLink, which is amazing. We highly recommend TireLink. And your second propane bottle will go right there.
Okay.
Not sure why it's not there, but it will go there. And you do have a quick connect under there.
I didn't realize this is 6-point leveling.
Oh, it is 6-point. I told
Yeah.
you guys wrong. I told
Oh,
you
this is
4.
6.
It is 6-point leveling. That is a huge plus. All
We're gonna
right.
take a look.
Let's take a look. Okay. So,
Feet off.
this is going to be a rear kitchen. And as you can see by looking over here at the dining area, this hasn't even been completely unpacked yet. And wow, we're just taking this one in. So I guess we'll just start in the kitchen, and we'll just start with this pantry area.
Goodness gracious.
I know, I've got to back up so you can see all
Oh
of
my
it.
gosh, are you kidding me?
So yes, you have drawers. And so you've got 2 bigger drawers down here at the bottom. This is great for your crock pots, your Instapots, air fryers, you know,
And
all of
there's
that should fit.
Wow. Okay, I like that.
Yeah, then you've got this French door fridge. I guess that's bread storage up there, if that's what you want to put up there.
Nutty bars.
And then the freezer at the bottom.
What's everybody's favorite little lady snack?
Yes. And then you got pet bowls, which I love that they're down here, and then you can put them out of the way. But hold on. If one pantry's not enough, you have 2. And this one you've got the open shelving, and then you've got even more drawers down here. That is amazing. But wait, for you people who are 8 feet tall,
Yeah.
there's storage up there.
More Diddle Debbies.
Yeah, that when you're hiding stuff from the kids, that's the place for it. Now, here in your kitchen, so you've got all of this great cabinetry up above, your sink, pleated shade back here. We like to call this the swanky sink because it's got your cup washer, your soap dispenser, high-rise faucet. It does have the waterfall feature over here, your drain, and then your extra inserts for your sink. Wonderful. You have some drawers right there, and hey, they already give you a garbage can in this one, so lots of space. You could actually put 2 under there if you wanted to. Really good storage here, and you're going to have that on both sides of your cooking area. This has got the bigger 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Let me get this.
Hey, yeah, we're not finished with these cabinetry yet. This is just amazing. Huge microwave. And then you've got this spice rack that pulls down like that.
I love those.
That is just amazing. I love it. While we're pointed up in this area, you do have a big old Max Air fan up there. And there is one of your 3 ACs. Coming around here, you've got this pull-out storage here. That is just,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, and they kind of,
It's huge.
yeah. And of course you can access it from the end or from the side. Solid surface all the way through this kitchen. Very, very, very well done. No heating in the floor. You see it's going to be there in the bottom of your cabinetry.
Trying to make sure I got that closed good enough. There we go.
So since this is the table, I'm going to call it part of your kitchen. They don't want to waste any space, so back behind that first pantry, you do have a little more storage. This is going to have 4 chairs with your table. Of course, we haven't unpacked it. We don't work here, but wow. These have got the blackout shades, huge window
Yeah.
in here.
When you said we unpacked them, I mean, there's this.
Yeah, there's styrofoam.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes. Now, when you travel, your chairs are going to stack on top of each other like that, and you are going to have to disassemble the sectional, and it will slide right in there, and that's what those little straps are for.
Yep.
Speaking of the sectional, oh my goodness, here it is. So if you have several friends, or if you just like to stretch out while you're watching, you're definitely going to be able to do it. Both of these sections here are going to recline. Then you've got your sofa over here. Now this one does not make into a bed. Not really sure why, but it doesn't. However, if you remove the cushions along the back, it's going to be wide enough that someone short like me or a kid would be able to sleep there with no problems. And then look at this window.
All three of these open.
Yes. And all three of them are really good size.
And they
Again,
all have the.
blackout shade there.
Okay.
Now, oh goodness, I am going to guesstimate at least a 50-inch TV.
50-inch. Okay, let's see. Yes, ma'am, you are correct.
I am correct. Now, below it, I know you're saying, well, what is all that weird little bungee cord under there for? Well, if you undo the little bungee cord,
Yep. And like I did.
and then you can pull it out, and so you have this little storage area that has, what all does it have back here? Plug-in, USB.
and USB.
Yeah. But we're not finished with little storage areas. Push that. You are going to have a Rockford Fosgate system. That is amazing. Nice little place there for your remotes. And then a nice big electric fireplace under that. Again, your heating is going to be in the walls and not in the floor. While we're here, the black little circles
Yeah.
are speakers.
Yes.
So you do have a speaker system in here. There is your second AC. And let's go upstairs. Your controls are going to be covered up just as you come in the door. And then you can take that shelf out if you want to use that for hanging.
Yes. Whew.
This one I feel like just goes on forever. I can't believe it is just 36 feet long.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to have a walk-through a walk-through bathroom.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. All right. Jerry's 6 feet tall. There is a skylight, and this shower is Encore, which we love.
30 by 48.
30 by 48, and it almost looks like it doesn't really step down, but you're pretty much level with the floor once you get in it.
Man, this right here makes me want to dance.
Yeah. You've got a porcelain foot flush toilet that's at an angle. I don't think you're going to have any problems with leg room in front of it. Back over here. Your sink actually is on a slide, so you've got this big old medicine cabinet. It's got 3 sections. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just a big old medicine cabinet. You've got lots and lots of counter area around your sink. Not solid surface in here, but that is a lot of space. Nice storage underneath there. You could put a wastebasket in there if you want to. You've got a drawer here for your styling tools with plug-ins and USB.
Or if you get in a hurry, if you need some water real quick, you can do. Okay.
Well, you could, but another drawer below that.
Wow.
Yeah. So I mean, this is how much space you have in this bathroom. But we're not finished with the bathroom.
Oh, sorry. All right.
You have a linen closet right
Pretty
above your toilet. Ta-da!
Golden plunger.
This one would almost get 2 golden plungers
Yeah.
if we had another one. Yeah, definitely gets the award. This is an awesome bathroom. Again, it does have 2 entries, so he's going to go through the hall, and I'm just going to go right here. And and we'll go into the bedroom. The Influence is going to give you a king-size bed, and you actually have a real nightstand. You don't see that very often. So you have 2 drawers,
Yes.
and then there's plug-in USB up there, so you can add a CPAP or add a lamp, or...
I'm just going to tell you, these are really good drawers.
It sounds solid from here.
I mean, that's not that
Yeah.
quarter inch or barely little Luan stuff.
Yeah.
Luron.
Cheap stuff.
Wow.
Yep, so yes, the top there will make a shelf if you need a shelf up there. You do have a little shelf over here on the side, and then you do have actually two lights up there. We only have one of them on.
Oh, wow.
Super nice storage underneath the bed. There's your third AC. Guys, this thing is under 40 feet and has 3 ACs. If you get hot in here, there's something wrong with you. Down here at the foot of the bed, you've got 6 drawers in this dresser and this nice hidden area. TV is already in place in this one.
And it's a...
That looks like a 36? 42.
What? 32.
32. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
You're slacking a
I
little
think
bit
I
there.
need a snack. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I need a Snickers. I'm just not me if I don't.
No, you're not.
All right.
There we go.
Yes. So we got a plug in here. Got this awesome closet that can be used for hanging. You've got shelves, but of course it is prepped for a stackable washer dryer. But you're not finished with closet space. I mean, look at this amazing shoe shelf area. That is probably my favorite of all. Nice storage up above it with a hanging rack. And then back here you do have some more and a clothes hamper. Very nice.
Did you get the power over there? It's right behind the door there.
Oh,
Closet door.
no.
There you go.
Yeah, power and USB also.
Wow. It's a really good bedroom.
It is. This one is done very, very well.
All right, everybody. If you like this Grand Design Influence with this beautiful, beautiful layout right back here, the dealership's information is down in our description. Like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.